Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove a background image on Wix. Open the Wix editor by going to your Wix dashboard and clicking Edit Site. Once the editor loads, you'll see your website in edit mode. Click on the strip or section that has the background image you want to remove. Click directly on the strip itself, not on any elements inside it. When you've selected it correctly, the strip will highlight with selection handles and a toolbar will appear above it. In that toolbar, click Change Background or Change Strip Background. The background settings panel will open on the side, showing you options for color, image, and video. Click on Color. You'll see a color picker appear with your theme colors and the option to add a custom color. Now choose the color you want to replace the background image with. If you want it to look like there's no background at all, select white or whatever your page background color is. The strip background will change instantly to the color you picked, and the image disappears. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Wix doesn't have a direct remove or none button for backgrounds. You always have to replace the image with something else, whether that's a color, a different image, or a video. If you're having trouble selecting a strip because it has lots of elements on it, try clicking near the edge of the strip where there's empty space. Strip backgrounds can display differently on mobile, so preview your site on both desktop and mobile before publishing. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit Publish in the top right to make the changes live.